Hey, Crypto Growth fam, how's it going? This is your host Shazib signing in. We're back with another video, guys. In this video, we will be discussing Quant Network. The market is cyclical. It's going to be an interesting one, guys, so make sure to watch till the end. And folks, for those of you who are new to the channel, we primarily discuss utility coins and potential gems. If you're interested in any of that stuff, then subscribe to the channel and hit the notification icon for regular videos. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out as well, only if you're interested. And folks, you can also check out the official Crypto Growth partners for the exchange. We've got MEXC. You can follow the link in the description box below for rebates, discounts, offers, benefits, and lowest fees, so do check it out. And as far as the wallet is concerned, you can check out Decent. They've got their remarkable products, their biometric wallet, which has got a phenomenal $30 off. And you can also check out their biometric wallet 2x package, guys, which has got an astonishing $99 off only if you follow the link in the description box below. Decent supports 3000 plus of your favorite coins and tokens, and it supports 50 plus blockchain mainnets, so do check it out. Anyways, let's see what's happening with QNT in real time. Any new information and posts for us? Let's find out. Let's see what's happening. Look at this. This is Sebastian. QNT, the exchange supply decreases even further to a new all-time low. 1.311 million tokens remain on exchanges, meaning only 8.81% remains on exchanges. Let that sink in. Look at this, folks. Further decrease of total exchange supplies, and you know, when the supply decreases, you know what happens, folks. And yeah, if the supply decreases and the demand increases, you know what happens. CT traders over here. Did someone mention Overledger in healthcare? Overledger and Quant Network as a whole, they're trying to disrupt every segment, every sector, from payments all the way to healthcare as well. So let's see what this is all about. The healthcare systems and all of that infrastructure. Look at this. It is crucial that blockchains used in a healthcare system can interoperate and communicate with legacy systems. As things stand, this ability is, though, improving. Let me add one thing over here. Folks, healthcare is one of the most sensitive segments that Quant Network or Overledger can disrupt. And a blockchain needs to be really of the highest levels to basically function in this highly sensitive sector. People's lives are on the line in it, and obviously you need a system in which these projects or a chain can communicate with the legacy systems, with other blockchains, other networks. You need that sort of a project for this system to succeed in the healthcare. Obviously, it can benefit a lot. It can contribute a lot to the healthcare infrastructure as well. Anyways, as things stand, this ability is, though improving, still limited and could present real challenges in terms of enabling healthcare systems based on blockchain to adapt to future needs easily and cost effectively. Another participant emphasized the same point, but was a little more positive about emerging solutions. Look at this. There's no doubt that interoperability has been a major factor in decisions whether or not to implement solutions based on blockchain. It is still an important factor, but at least realistic and viable solutions are now beginning to emerge, such as Overledger from Quant Network. The healthcare systems would be reluctant to add blockchain or these new technologies in their systems. Obviously, everyone is skeptical about it, and the efficient and people also doubt the relevancy, accuracy of it, and what it can provide. But obviously, Overledger and Quant Network, they can provide good solutions that these networks or these systems can benefit from, folks. Let's see if anyone has replied. Okay, massive QNT. Anyways, let's see what's happening. This is Cypress, Demand and Core, always covering QNT. Simple, don't fade QNT. Why would a bank consider using a permissionless blockchain? The question. One compelling answer is liquidity. Let me open this up. Okay. Decentralized in nature, permissionless blockchains, also known as public blockchains, are open networks that do not limit the number of participants that can join the consensus process used to validate data and transactions. So, what are the key characteristics of blockchains and what they can provide? Number one, transparency of transactions. Everyone know where these which how many transactions are happening, and it can be tracked. Everyone can know about these transactions basically. So this is transparent. There is no concealing of stuff, hidden stuff involved. It has open source development. Everyone knows how it is being developed. If someone gives funds or donations to a certain project or for some cause, you know what is happening, folks. Everyone knows that where our funds are going. We gave this some X amount of money, X amount of donation, and whether it is being used in the infrastructure or not. Anonymity with some exceptions. No central authority. There are no central authorities involved. It is permissionless, obviously. No third parties, intermediaries involved that can be a hassle, folks. Okay. Minimum 30 billion market cap in the next 6 months. QNT. I mean, we would want that, but for the time being, the market is really choppy. To be honest, we should be a bit practical. I think that it will take a while. Anyways, QNT 2021 equals 2025. Okay, markets. Yeah, if 2021 equals 2025, then obviously 30 billion market cap. It can happen. It can happen. Will it happen? We do not know, but can happen if 2021 is 2024. Markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. Over legends, let's please remember the market is cyclical. The market has its moves when it wants and it repeats. Obviously, the corrections, the dips, and then the move. The market cannot go vertically forever. We oftentimes forget this, folks. Every one of us, we forget that markets cannot go vertically forever. Quant will also have its time when the time will come. Now we are in that accumulation phase, a key phase. If QNT is to survive, then that cycle will come. Anyways, on this day last cycle, QNT went on an epic 200 plus day run from $30 to $400 plus dollars, folks. Dollars will flow from the impatient to the patient. Let's hope that it happens. Let me open this up. Yeah, look at this. A huge move, consolidation, accumulation for a while now. Look at this, folks. The bottom over here. Yeah, a really decent move. If anything like this were to happen, the price is going to be going parabolic, folks. That's for sure. Okay. Can I humbly ask what makes QNT good for investment? Has anyone replied over here? It don't. If you want something that actually has a future, go with Link. Their CCIP is actually being used. So the Link QNT the community warfare, it continues. The Chainlink community members say QNT is up to no good, and the QNT members say that Link is up to no good. So vice versa. But I think both are great projects, decent projects, and both have a really good chance to provide utility, provide use cases, folks, to the real world. Okay, you don't own enough QNT says that 2021 equals 2025. Sebastian again, This is a stellar recovery from Bybit crisis from QNT. QNT is recovering faster than ETH and BTC. QNT did an excellent retest of the wedge and heading back up. QNT BTC chart is telling this outperformance is real, even with this dip. QNT is going to 1K, T800. 21st Century Crypto over here says that QNT selling over here is a big mistake. The QNT consolidation over 4 years right now is coming to an end. If you want to be sure, just wait for the breakout and buy the retest. The best advice I can give you right now. Look at this, folks. It's been a while. The accumulation has been persistent, but obviously if QNT is anything special, if it is anything good, and if it is if it is indeed providing real world use cases in the future, I think this will be the time where a lot of people are going to be buying it. To be honest, these are the times that people are buying, they're accumulating, they're increasing their bag size. But look at this, if we break through this trend line, then we are looking at $200s and then 400 plus over here. Higher low QNT, final consolidation QNT, it made a higher low on the long-term chart. QNT is your golden ticket. Okay, so we've got tokenizer over here as well. When you think UK's future of finance, you should be thinking QNT. This has been in the works for years. Remember, we only see the surface, and we've already seen UKRLN, Pay UK, Gov UK Cloud, and Rosalind involve Overledger's capabilities. And if Overledger can provide capabilities to a country like UK that has got advanced infrastructure, it can provide a use case all over the world, folks. It can provide it. Just imagine what's beneath the iceberg. Okay, BIS, Quant, HSBC, R3, Visa, among 13 others chosen by UK Finance to join next prototype phase. Quant named a supplier on UK government's CCS G-Cloud 12 framework. Yeah, this great. Bank of England, Project Rosalind, Digital Pound Foundation. What is this? Yeah. Tom Mutton, Bank of England, Director FinTech, Head of International Policy and Strategy, Head of Division Insurance Policy, with Gilbert over here. Interoperability and Scalability. Yeah, this is great. This is awesome. Okay. Enterprise DLT update on 2025 so far. QNT, what is it doing? Backbone to Oracle DA platform. Oracle Digital Asset Platform, by the way. Oracle. Awesome. Open banking is coming to Overledger. Let me bookmark this up. Okay, Quant Deposit Tokenization, the makings of programmable payments. Quant real-time tokenization is powered by DLT-based smart contracts and APIs that can add this programmability to money through tokenization. Invented during our work, look at this, invented during our work on the UK's retail CBDC in Project Rosalind. What does this functionality do? It executes on the shared ledger, enabling the rapid creation of payment instruments and network-wide logic. Awesome, folks. QNT is trying to provide use case to a lot of different sectors. The Finternet will transform the lives of 8 plus billion people and 300 million plus businesses. Who is paying attention? Okay. This is awesome, folks. Anyways, what do you guys think about Quant Network? Do you think that indeed Quant Network is the backbone of the market? I would really like your opinions. Do hit the comment box below and let the community know. Anyways, guys, this was it for the video. If you liked it, make sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification icon if you're interested in utility coins and potential gems. And you can also support the channel by becoming a Patreon, so do check that out. Like I always say in the end, until next time, stay blessed and stay tuned. Thank you very much, everyone.